Hey y'all, welcome back. Same day, different unboxing. So I did get this, and it came in the mail. I think yesterday with or the day before with the Fat Quarter Shop order. But these are from Sew Yeah. They do live sales, de-stash sales on Saturdays. Sometimes during the week they have a new stash sale. I think on Tuesdays, but then they'll have random sales. They go live on YouTube, and I found them, and I sometimes get things if I see it and I'm like, I instantly know what project that's going to go to. And I did. So they usually have like 5 yard backpacks, 5 yard cuts, or 3 yard 108s and stuff at a really reasonable price. And so this was from a sale like 2 weeks ago, I think, that I got. But I got this 5 yard cut of, it looks like, it's in Alicia Jacobs Dujett's for in Ink and Arrow Fabrics. It's some new fabric company I've never heard of. But I just thought it was cute because it's got cats. It's got, the gravestones, and they all say something that's cute, like I'll be back. Under it, you're next. Well, this stinks. Wish. INA, we're here. I don't know what that means, but wish you were here. I was hoping for a pyramid. That one's cute. But I just love this, and I have a lot of Halloween quilt kits that I need to put together, and one of them has cats on it, black cats, and so I figured this would be the great backing for it. Even if it doesn't match the orange, I don't care. It's cute. It'll be on the back. So I was like, yep, I can use that one. Definitely use that one. And then I have a lot of farm stuff, and I'm going to make a farm quilt to try to commemorate life of living on the farm when I was a kid. And so I found this back, and it would go good with any color because it's all gray, and it's just cows, pigs, chickens, sheep, geese, and yeah, that's about it. Cows. I don't know. I don't see a goat on here. Nope, I don't see any goats. But yeah, and pretty much had all that growing up. So I definitely can use those for backings, and they're 5 yards. So 5 yards is pretty generous for backing, and I usually piece mine anyway, so I can make it work. And I got this the other day too. They were having sales on, and I'm trying to avoid all sales lately because it's just too tempting. But I did see these two things, and I knew one I definitely could use. The other I just thought was cute. This is from Sew Yeah too. Let's see. Sure, there's nothing in there except like there's something else in the bag. Okay. Well, this is a 5/4 bundle of Hanukkah fabric. I'm not Jewish, but we do have Jewish people in our family. And I kind of have been interested in the Jewish religion. I celebrate Hanukkah during Christmas. I don't celebrate it like religiously, but I kind of educate my kids on, other cultures, other religions to the best of my abilities from my own knowledge. But I thought this would be cute to kind of commiserate, like this past year, the first day of Christmas and the first day of Hanukkah were on the same day this year. So we had a Christmas feast, and we had, jelly donuts, we had latkes, we had brisket, and it was delicious. And, and my husband's grandparents were Jewish. Part of them were. And so, it really meant a lot to my in-laws to, kind of celebrate both. We didn't light a menorah or anything, but we were there in spirit with food and just being together as a family. And a lot of that is what Hanukkah and Christmas both are about, is just being together as a family. And then I got this 108. I have this is Benartex. It kind of looked like Ruby Star Society had something similar to this. So I have a Ruby Star Society like share block that we did with a quilt group about a year ago that I need to get pieced together, and I was kind of looking for a back that was more modern because Ruby Star's a little modern. So I found this. It looks like cotton balls, like the bulk cotton bowls, but it's more modern and it's got the colors that match. So I knew to get this, and that's the backing for that. So that's my Sew Yeah haul, and like I said, that'll probably be the last one for a while. The only thing I plan on doing is getting things to finish quilts, and right now I've got plenty to finish, just about everything I'm working on right now for the next few months. So, but we'll be unboxing Fat Quarter Shop's So Colorful Fat Quarter colorways every month. That'll be something to look forward to. So I can round out my stash and kind of cycle through as I'm working through different colors. But yeah. So let me know, what kind of deals do you look for when you're looking to get fabric? You know, not just random buys like you're just feeling like shopping, but if you see something, if you see something you know it's going to work for a project, do you go ahead and get it when it's on sale, or do you say, I'm going to wait? I'm kind of curious how people shop.